In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product animation video ad in Canva. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer looking to spice up your product promotions, Canva is a fantastic tool to add some flair to your visuals without having to rely on expensive software or complex editing processes. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. You can do this by heading over to canva.com and logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, setting up is pretty straightforward and free to start with. Once logged in, it's time to create a design. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the Create a Design button. From the drop-down menu, select Video as your design type. This will open a blank canvas that's optimized for video creation, providing you with the perfect starting point for your animation. Next, it's essential to have high-quality images of your product. If available, use transparent PNGs because they blend nicely with backgrounds, giving your video a professional look. To upload your images, navigate to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see the option to Uploads. Click on it, then click the Upload Files button to access your files and select the images you plan to use in your animation. Once your images are uploaded, click on your product image to add it to your canvas. You'll see it appear in the edit space, and you can easily resize or reposition it as needed. For your video to stand out, consider adding movement. Canva makes this straightforward with its Animate feature. Simply click on your product image and select Animate from the toolbar that appears. Here you'll find a range of animation options, from subtle fades and pans to more dynamic bounces and spins. Choose the one that best suits the tone and energy of your ad. Now, let's add some text and typography to convey your message clearly. On the left-hand side, select Text to access a variety of font styles. You can pick a style that complements your brand and the aesthetic of your video. Make sure any text is legible and succinct, focusing on key selling points or calls to action that are central to your marketing goal. To make your video even more captivating, explore adding backgrounds and effects. Canva offers a rich library of both free and premium options that can enhance the visual appeal of your video. Just as before, these are accessible from the left-hand sidebar. Consider color palettes and patterns that complement your product and reinforce your brand identity. Once everything looks just right and you are satisfied with your creation, the final step is to download your animation. Hit the Share button located at the top right of the screen, then select Download. Choose the MP4 option to save your design in a high-resolution video format suitable for social media sharing or online platforms. You now have a polished, animated product ad video that's ready to boost your marketing efforts.